Hi, I'm Terry with Crosse Technology, and this is the WT-2165 travel alarm clock. When you take it out of the package, this is the entire unit. You are going to want to remove, though, the protective coating. Operation of this clock, very simple, and it does have the complete instruction set printed out for you. We open the battery door, put in a single AAA battery. We're looking for a name brand, recently dated. And we should hear that beep. When we turn it over, the clock is ready for us to set up. In setting it up, we're just going to be using the set button and the plus button. And we turn it over, we'll press that set button and hold it for a few moments. We see the time zone. Notice on the United States, the time zone is lit up. -5 is East Coast. Pressing that plus button changes it. -6 is Central Time. -7 is Mountain Time, -8 is Pacific Coast Time, and we'll leave it at -8. We press that set button once again. We have Daylight Savings Time set to on. Arizona, some areas of Indiana don't use Daylight Savings Time. They would hit that set button, or that plus button, I'm sorry, and set it to off. We hit set, and it's asking us, how long do you want your snooze alarm? The default is 10 minutes. Using the plus button, we can set that as long as we like. Pressing the set button once again flashes the hour. Now if we want to wait a few nights, this will automatically pick up the time, but if you want to use it right away, when that's flashing, using the plus button will change the hour. Notice that the AM hours have nothing to the left of the hour, and the PM hours show the PM. We'll set this for 2 in the afternoon. Pressing our set button once again, the minutes flash. And we use the plus button to select the right time in minutes. We'll make it 2:22. Pressing the set button once again, the year is flashing. This is 2011, so we'll use the plus button to set that. Pressing the set button once again, the month will flash. It's not December 31st, it's August 8th, so we'll take the month to August. Pressing set again, the day flashes, or the date flashes. And using our plus button, we'll take it to the 8th. And pressing the set button once again, we pick the day of the week. Today's Tuesday. We'll press it. We got that with the plus button. We hit the set button once again. We have the option of 12-hour or 24-hour military style time. We'll set this for 12-hour. The plus button makes that change. We press the set button once again, and our clock is ready to use. Now, since this is an alarm clock, what we'll do is look at how do we set our alarms, and there are 2 of them, Alarm 1 and Alarm 2. And to set them, we're just going to set Alarm 1 right now. We press and hold that button, and you'll notice it's set automatically for 6 o'clock. I don't want 6 o'clock. While that's flashing, I push the hour button in the alarm mode. I'm going to get up at 8 o'clock, and the minute button, I'm going to get up at 8:15. And if I just let it sit, it'll go back to its normal mode. You notice the little, people call it an eyeball, the dot with the brackets around it, is showing that Alarm 1 is now triggered and active. To find out what time that alarm is going to go off, all I have to do is press the Alarm 1 button, and it shows up briefly at the bottom. I can set Alarm 2 the same way. To turn the alarms on and off, all I press is the alarm button. My 8:15 alarm is on for Alarm 1. Press again, Alarm 1 is turned off. You notice a little picture of a battery here. That battery is empty, which says that the battery I've put in there is maybe a little bit more than just on the weak side, and I should be considering putting a new battery into this unit if I want to use it.